Today we are discussing HCU MSc Biochemistry paper 2019 paper, and this paper is different from the Animal Biotechnology paper. And this paper, it contains three parts, three sections: part A, part B and part C, and total questions are of 85 questions per 100 marks. And part A contains 25 questions and each question carries 1 mark, whereas part B contains 45 questions and each question carries 1 mark, whereas part C contains 15 questions and carries 2 marks. And part A and part C have negative markings, and part A has the negative marking of 0.33 and part C has 0.66, whereas in part B there is no negative marking. And this is the paper pattern of the biochemistry paper. And next, coming to the question paper discussion. And here first question: oils are esters whose hydrolysis produces glycerol. And what are oils? Oils are esters of fatty acids and with glycerol. Fatty acids means these are the long chain aliphatic carboxylic acids, and that means option B is the correct one. Oils contains the long chain aliphatic carboxylic acids with glycerol. That means option B is the correct option. Next, second one: which of the following is not an antibiotic? A option: aspirin is not an antibiotic. Next, third one: the main buffer system of blood is consisting of carbonic acid and bicarbonate. And option A is the correct one. Next, the commonly used bleaching agent is sodium hypochlorite. And next, fifth one: the vitamin essential for blood coagulation is vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for blood coagulation. Next, absolute configuration of an optically pure compound was found to be S. The S means here sinister. Which of the following statements is true about the compound? Absolute configuration means it refers to the spatial arrangement of the atoms of a chiral molecular entity and its stereochemical description. Here R and S, this refers to the stereochemical description. R means rectus and S means sinister. Here the optically pure compound was found to be sinister. Sinister means, next, which of the following statement is true about that compound? Here this compound, and here the optically stereochemical descriptions are sinister and rectus, and these are mirror images. That means option D is the correct one. The compound is a mirror image of its corresponding or enantiomer. And next, the order of nucleophilicity of the following ions in DMSO is: normally DMSO is a aprotic solvent. Normally in groups the nucleophilicity increases from the top to bottom, whereas when it is placed in aprotic solvent the nucleophilicity decreases. That means here option A is the correct one. That means the top one is the top atom is the most containing nucleophilicity property, and that is the option A is the correct one for this seventh one. Next, the product of the following reaction will be, and here beta nitro alcohol. Option A is the correct one. Next, the function of vitamin B1 coenzyme thymine pyrophosphate is: thymine pyrophosphate is mainly involved in aldehyde group removal or transfer. Option A is the correct one. Next, exergonic reactions are the reactions. Exergonic reactions means they contain the delta G negative number. That means for the 10th one, D option is the correct one. And next, 11th one: when a voltage V is applied across a pair of electrodes separated by a distance T, a potential gradient is created between the electrodes. We can calculate E as E equal to V by D. This is the direct formula. And next, if levels of different colors red, white, yellow and blue lying on a plate are illuminated by light from a sodium flame, some flowers will look dark. Which are those? Find the proper set from below. Here the dark colors are shown look like dark. That means here what are the dark colors here? Red and blue. That means option A is the correct one. Sorry, option C. Option C is the correct one. And next, if two silver coins were placed equidistant from your eye, one placed under 30 cm of water and the other placed under 30 cm of glass, which one of the silver coins will appear closer? Here the silver coin under the glass will appear closer. Option B is the correct one. And next, what happens to the kinetic energy when a charged particle is accelerated through a potential difference V? Potential difference means here energy is supplied in the form of potential difference, and here the kinetic potential increases the velocity. That means velocity increases means kinetic energy also increase. That means option C is the correct one. And next, a piece of ice having volume 10 cc is floating in a glass containing water. When the ice melts, then the level of water here that remains unchanged. Here the level of water remains unchanged. C option is the correct one. Next, given that a by b minus a by c equal to 1, write the formula that will give a. Here when it is calculated, the a equal to bc by c minus b. Option B is the correct one. Okay. Next, given the condition a square plus b square greater than c square, when a, b and c are the sides of a triangle, what kind of triangle will you expect it to be? Here a square plus b square is more than c square. That means the kind of triangle is acute triangle, and where c is the side opposite to the acute angle. Option B is the correct one. And next, how many dimensions can a line have? A line have one dimension, whereas the plane has two dimensions, cube has three dimensions. And next, the sum of the deviations about the mean is always, here the sum of the deviations about the mean is always 0, whereas the sum of the deviation below mean equal to the sum of the deviations above mean. Sum of the deviations below the mean equal to the sum of the deviation above mean, but above the mean is always 0. And next, in an absolutely normal distribution, means mean, median and mode are one and the same. Option C is the correct one. And next, what is the general mode of action of antibiotic erythromycin? Select the most appropriate answer. Here the erythromycin mainly affects the protein synthesis in prokaryotes. It mainly disrupts the protein synthesis in bacteria by binding to the 50S ribosomal subunit. Directly binds to the 50S ribosomal subunit and disrupts the protein synthesis in prokaryotes, and that in bacteria. That means option B is the correct one. Next, what is the molecular basis for the effect of cholera toxin on duodenal mucosa that causes watery diarrhea? Here it causes the increased generation of CAMP in the enterocytes, and that causes the efflux of Cl- ions, and that leads to the secretion of H2O and other ions Na+, K+, and HCO3- into the intestinal lumen. That causes the watery diarrhea. That means here the increased generation of CAMP in the enterocyte, that means intestinal part, that causes the watery diarrhea. Option D is the correct one. Next, if host cells infected with a pathogenic RNA virus were grown up in the presence of carbon-14 called deoxyuridine triphosphate, which of the following observations will you make? Here, the newly synthesized viral genome will not be radio-labeled. What observation will you make? Here, the newly synthesized viral genome will not be radio-labeled. That means option B is the correct one. Next, 24th one, the sons of a colorblind woman are always colorblind but not the daughters. Reason, colorblindness is a sex-linked character and such characters are transferred from the mother to son. And here, only the females are the carriers here, and it transfers the characters from the mothers to son. That means here statement is correct and reason is also correct. S is correct and R is the correct explanation of S. B is the correct one. B option is the right answer for the 24th one. Next, the plasma membrane is permeable to. The plasma membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. Hence, it is only permeable to the water. Option C is the correct one. Next, part B. Coming to the part B, here in part B, for every question 3 right answers for a particular question. All 3 options must be marked. And that means here if 2 options are correct, 2 have to be marked. And 1 is correct, 1 have to mark. and 3 are correct, 3 have to mark. That means more than one right answer is present in these options, and you have to mark all the correct answers. Here for the 26th one, the factor which affect pKa value of an amino acid is. Here the pKa value is affected by loss of charge in the alpha carboxyl and alpha amino groups, and here also pH of the medium also affects, interactions with the other peptide all groups also affect. That means A, B, C are correct for this pKa value of an amino acid. What is pKa value? It refers to the equilibrium between the protonated positive nitrogen and deprotonated neutral nitrogen. What is pKa? pKa refers to the equilibrium between the protonated positive nitrogen and deprotonated neutral nitrogen. Okay. Next, free rotation about the peptide bond in a protein is restricted because of the partial double bound character of the peptide bond, and also steric inference of neighboring amino acid side chains. Option C and option D are correct. And next, enantiomers. What are enantiomers? Enantiomers are the compounds and that should contain the chiral molecule. Also we said spatial configuration that is exhibited by chiral molecule, and that shows the property of enantiomers. Enantiomers are the chiral molecules, and here these are the chiral molecules and these are non-superimposable mirror image to one another. These are non-superimposable mirror image to one another, and that are called as the enantiomers. Next, 29th one, quaternary structure of protein refers to. Quaternary structure of protein refers to the protein with more than one subunit, the relative orientation of one polypeptide to another polypeptide in a multi-subunit complex. B and D are the correct ones. B and D are the correct ones. And next, protein has a binding site for ligand X with a dissociation constant of 10 power minus 6 m. Protein B has a binding site for ligand X with a dissociation constant of 10 power minus 9 m. Choose correct statements about protein A and protein B. And here dissociation constant is more for protein A has protein A, whereas protein B has less dissociation constant. That means association of protein B is more with the ligand, and that means protein B has more affinity for ligand X compared to protein E. And also protein A has low association constant than protein B. That means option A and option B are correct ones. And next, 31st one, the catalytic serine in serine protease behaves as a dash in the catalysis. It acts as a nucleophile. What is nucleophile? Donates the electron pairs. Nucleophiles donates electron pairs. Next, trypsin hydrolyzes the peptide bond in the dash in a polypeptide in the C terminal of a lysine. C terminal of lysine. And next, which of the following proteolytic enzymes are basic endoproteases? Endoproteases are mainly trypsin and chymotrypsin. These are mainly the endoproteases that have the proteolytic enzyme capacity. Means B option is the correct one. And which of the following are the correct sequences of reactions in glycolysis? In glycolysis, first glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, and to glycerol 3-phosphate. Option A is the correct one. Option B is not the correct one, whereas option C is also a correct one, and option D is not the correct one. That means A and C options are the correct ones. And next, NADPH required for fatty acid synthesis can be generated from HMP shunt pathway. Option A is the correct one. Next, why do phosphoanhydrate linkages have a high free energy of glycolysis? Because of the phosphoanhydrate linkages have high free energy of hydrolysis. Here, because of the resonance stabilization of the products of hydrolysis exceeds resonance stabilization of the components. Resonance stabilization of the products of hydrolysis, it exceeds the resonance stabilization of the compound itself. And also the repulsion occurs, electrostatic repulsion occurs between the negatively charged phosphate oxygen atoms, favors the separation of phosphates. Option A and option B are the correct ones. And next, which of the following compounds increase the rate of respiration of mitochondria? And here the rate of respiration of mitochondria is increased by uncoupler proteins. Uncoupler proteins mainly increase the rate of respiration of mitochondria. Next, the two reduction of reactions of a redox reaction are as follows. And these are the redox reactions, and in this we have to select the correct statement about the redox reaction. That means when these two are combined, and that gives electronic potential of 0.210 V. This is the correct, but here change in reduction potential is 0.210 V. This is the correct one. B is the correct one. And the total reaction leads to the fumarate plus FADH2 gives rise to succinate plus FAD, and this is also not the correct one. Here FAD acts as a oxidizing agent in the reaction, that means 38 for the 38 one. B and C are the correct ones. B and C are the correct ones. And next, for the 39, energy for the addition of amino acids to an elongating protein chain, it comes from the last monomer of the growing polymer. And next, come to the insulator. What is insulator? Insulator, that means it is a long range regulatory DNA sequence that blocks the function of an enhancer. Option B is the correct one. And next, select bases that can be present in the first position of the anticodon region DNA pairing with the uracil present in the third position of codon in mRNA, and it gives to the option A is the correct one, option C is also correct, option D is also correct. A, C and D are correct. A, C and D are correct. And next, 42, expression of lac mRNA is maximal in the presence of, and lac mRNA is maximal when no glucose is present, and when lactose is present expression is more, and high CAMP also causes the expression of more lac mRNA. That means option D is the correct one. Option D is the only correct answer here. And next, coming to the 43, what would be the level of beta galactosidase enzyme in the presence of lactose in an E. coli strain harboring these genes as compared to E. coli strain harboring these genes? Here OC refers to the operator constituents that are constitutively synthesized, and here I refers to the lac repressor, Z refers to the beta galactosidase gene. And here in the presence of lactose, and in the presence of lactose means what would be the level of beta galactosidase enzyme if these genes are present means here. And for this Hoff maximal is present. Hoff maximal level of beta galactosidase enzyme is expressed in these strain harboring these genes. E. coli strain harboring these genes produce the Hoff maximal level of beta galactosidase enzyme. C option is the only correct one. Next, 44, spontaneous deamination of 5-methyl cytosine. It results in mainly results in thymine. 5-methyl cytosine results in thymine. Deamination of 5-methyl cytosine results in thymine. And next, 45, severe combined immunodeficiency is due to a deficiency of adenosine deaminase. Option C is the correct one. And next, which of the following statements about meiosis are true? Meiosis means it contains the pair of it leads to the pairing of homologous chromosomes, and it also contains the bivalent chromosomes, and chromosome condensation is also occurs in meiosis. And this option is the wrong one, and only option A, option B, option C are correct one. 3 options are correct: A, B and C. Okay, next, a red flower balsam was crossed to a white flower balsam plant. The F1 progeny were all red flower. The selfing of F1 produced a mixture of red flower plants and white flower plants in the ratio of 621 red and 188 white. Which of the following conclusions can be drawn from the experiment? And this is a monohybrid ratio, and here red color is dominant over white, and here options A are correct. The parents were true breeding, and also the genotype of all F1 plants is same, and A, B are correct, and here D is also correct, but 4 different genotypes in F2 is not the correct one. Here 1:2:1 ratio is present, and here 3:1 is the phenotypic ratio, whereas the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, and that means 4 different genotypes is not the correct option. Hence A, B and D are the correct ones. Okay, next, in a cross F2 plant segregated as 300 tall and 100 short plants, if a tall plant is randomly picked and selfed, which of the following observations are likely to be true? That means here tall and short plants are produced. That means this tall variety contains the homozygous varieties and heterozygous varieties. Homozygous and heterozygous are present. That means it can produce both tall and short plants. And here that chances of producing a mixture of tall and short plants are higher than just tall plants. Just tall plants better than chances of producing tall and short plants. That means option D, option B are correct. B and D are correct. Okay. Next, protein kinase C is activated by multiple intracellular messengers. Which of the following activate protein kinase C primarily? Protein kinase C is mainly activated by Ca+2 ions. Ca+2 ions mainly activate the protein kinase, and here this is also activated by diacylglycerols. Option A and option D are the correct ones. Diacylglycerol and Ca+2 activates the protein kinase C. Next, 58th one, which of the following are functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum mainly responsible for the lipid synthesis. That means here lipid biosynthesis. Option A is the correct one. Option B is also correct one. Detoxification, it is involved in the detoxification reactions, and this endoplasmic reticulum is mainly responsible for the calcium transporter. That means it is the organelle that stores the calcium ions, and this also involved in glycogen to glucose conversion. And these are the 50 questions in this part, and in the next video we will continue this paper.